Hello, and thank you for joining me today in our kitchen. I'm going to talk about 3 wines from Cloof wine estate in Darling, that lovely cool area affected so much by the cold breezes of the Benguela current which runs up the west coast. And I want to talk about 3 of their wines which they produce in cans. This is the Daisy Darling Sauvignon Blanc, gold medal from the Paris Gilbert and Gallard wine show. Rosy Darling, which is a rosé, also gold medal, 3 stars in platter. And the Ruby Darling, which has the gold medal and 3 stars in platter. And I want to make a salad today, which is essentially sliced apple and sliced fennel. And I just want to quickly pop the last little bit of fennel on. And of course, for this salad, nice summery salad, you've got this lovely Sauvignon Blanc, lovely tropical notes, and this crisp, fresh wine, perfect as an aperitif, and of course to go with a salad like this. So here we have the salad. Now I've made a salad dressing of apple cider vinegar, 1 part, 3 parts of my favorite olive oil, and then I put a teaspoon of Dijon mustard in, a little grind of pepper, and I'm just going to add a touch of salt. This is also salt from the west coast, interestingly enough. Now, and I've got some parsley, chopped parsley here. That really just for a bit of colour. Now, I'm going to put them into this jar and then just give it a really good shake. And what happens is that the mustard breaks up and it forms an emulsion with the vinegar and the olive oil. And just drizzle it over. And of course the parsley flecks just make it look so much prettier. And then I've got some seeds here, which we can sprinkle over the top. And some wild rocket leaves on top. And there you have a really delicious, lovely spring and summery salad. Now, you can play games with a salad like this. You could put very thin slivers of smoked salmon trout, in which case you'd want some of this lovely Rosy Darling rosé, a beautiful, beautiful color in the glass there. Nice sort of strawberries. Chunky watermelon, nice soft, lovely summery wine. You could also add some shards of Parmesan cheese to a salad like this, or some very tiny dice of cheddar cheese. If you wanted to, if you happen to have some cold meat, maybe a slice of ham or something like that, also delicious. In which case, you'd want some of the Ruby Darling, lovely color in the glass, and just this massive, wonderful fruit, cherries, berries. I would chill this down a little bit actually. Nice body. Lovely fruit, and perfect for a salad like this. I've been talking about the 3 Cloof wines in a can: the Daisy Darling, the Rosy Darling, and the Ruby Darling. Do land a can as soon as you can. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.